You are not alone or forsaken, though far apart our hearts remain. Close together, nothing can stand in our way, for we are children of the Buddha, walking side by side, overcoming all dangers together. You shine brightly like the sun, bravely facing countless obstacles, like a small boat steadily rowing through fierce storms and crashing waves, unshaken in the middle of the sea. You are a true child of the Buddha, renouncing all for the sake of the Dhamma, with wholehearted devotion, firm and unwavering in your resolve, like an island in the ocean, unmoved by the force of raging winds and waves. I rejoice in your courage, in your life dedicated with strong determination. You are an inspiration to transform the world, like the sun that shines, dispelling darkness and bringing light to all. Sadhu, 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 hero of the Dhamma.